Hi Don, how familiar are you with 2020 Toyota RAV4 LE? Okay, let me tell you this. This car have 5-star safety rating and it rated at 27 miles per gallon in city and 35 miles per gallon on the highway and 30 miles per gallon combined. And this car have 3 years, 36,000 miles bumper-to-bumper warranty and 5 years, 60,000 miles for powertrain. So first thing I like about this car is this newly generation has multi-link rear suspension, so it gives you smooth ride. And this car has great ground clearance, which can take you go off-road. And the last thing I love about it is it has JBL audio system, so you can play the music you love it. So if you're interested in this vehicle or you do have any other question, please contact me. My information is here down below. And so thank you for watching. Bye.